100% question in our IBE examination. Okay, here we have I taken two faces. These are the first face or first layer. So this one is the second layer. So here I taken one ray. I passing one ray. This is incident ray. This one is the first ray. I am saying this one is the incident ray. The first ray incident at first layer, then it is transmitted. The first ray incident at first layer, then it is transmitted. These are called transmitted ray. And again, this one is the second ray. Incident at second layer. Second layer. Incident at second layer. Then it is transmitted. This one also transmitted ray. Or reflector ray, whatever may be. Here, the first ray incident at first layer, then it is transmitted. And the second ray incident at second layer, then it is transmitted. So here, the second layer traveling more distance compared with the first ray. So I extend this one here and this way. So I taken here, this one is the A, B, C, D. Okay. So here the distance between two layers, small. The distance between two layers, small d. Here the second ray travels more distance. What is that, sir? This one, BC plus C. BC plus
CD.
C. Here I taken one line here. So this one is the theta, and here this one also theta. The BC plus CD, the more distance is equals to wavelength of this. That one is the n lambda. So the more distance BC plus CD is equals to
n lambda.
N lambda means wavelength of the rays. Here I taken in this diagram triangle A
B C.
triangle A B
C.
and here I have taken another one, that is the triangle
A C D.
C D. Here only observe this one, triangle A B
C.
triangle
A B
triangle A
B C.
In this triangle I taken
Sin theta.
what is the sin theta, sir?
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. So this one is the theta. Here this is the opposite. What is the opposite side, sir? BC. Opposite side is equals to
BC.
what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means long side. This one is the
AC.
here BC we don't know the value. I write as this. AC means the AC is equals to small d. So that one is the d. Here sin theta, then sin theta. Here I need only BC value. So that's why BC is equals to, here it is divided by, then it is goes to here. That one is the
D sin theta.
BC is equals to D
D sin Sin theta.
And again, I take a triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, I found sin theta. So sin theta means opposite side by
Hypotenuse.
Opposite side by
Hypotenuse.
What is the opposite side in ACD? ACD. Opposite side? CD. So adjacent side? AC. Here, CD value we don't know. So that's why I write as this CD. AC value we know. AC is equals to
Small d.
So this one is a small d. Here I need CD value. CD is equals to
D sin theta.
sin theta. So here. This one is the equation 1. Here this one is the equation 2. Here this one is the equation 3. I am add equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 2 BC
Plus CD
is equals to BC value D sin
D sin theta.
Then AC value CD value
D sin theta.
D.
Sin theta.
Here BC plus CD is equals to D sin theta plus D sin theta.
2D sin theta.
2D
Sin theta.
Here this is the equation
4.
equation
4.
but according to according to equation 1 according to
Equation 1.
So BC plus CD value is equals to
N lambda.
lambda is equals to
2D sin theta.
So this is required Rock's equation. This one is the Rock's equation. Simply I explained again. Here, this one is the first layer. This one is the second layer. The first layer is incident at first layer, then it is transmitted. The second layer also incident at second layer, then it is transmitted. The second layer traveling more distance. So that one is the BC plus
CD.
So the distance is equals to wavelength of rays. So that's why BC plus CD is equals to
N lambda.
This is equation 1. In triangle ABC, I found the sin theta. Sin theta means
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
So simply BC is equal to D sin theta. Here also CD is equals to D
sin
sin
theta.
theta. Add two equation BC plus CD is equals to D
D
sin
sin theta plus D sin theta.
So here BC plus CD is equals to
2D sin theta.
already we know very well BC plus CD is equals to
N lambda.
That's why the N lambda is equals to
2D sin theta.
This one is the Rock's
Equation.
Thank you.